but I never forgot that girl.
Well, did you ever get back together with her?
One day I found out she got married.
No way. Well, what'd you do?
I went on with my life. I created some special new superheroes. They were characters that reflected my own heartbreak and my own regret.
So you created each character as a way to deal with your one big regret.
Yeah, the girl that got away.
Hey, Stan.
Yeah,
She really meant that much to you?
Brody, I'd give it all up, all of it, for just one more day with her.
We broke into a million pieces and we can't go